you're explaining.
Okay, you can.
Yes, my dears. Now I'll explain kinds and the benefits, and you can taste and try. We have here, my dears, 4 different kinds, 4 different tastes, my dears, and any kind honey with nature has different benefits. First, my dears, now we have honey from raspberry flowers. Raspberry, my dears, is like nature antiseptic for our body, and like a natural medicinal one. We have flu and the varicose fever. This is #1 for our immune system, my sweet.
Immune system.
Yes. Yes.
Let's taste it. Nice.
Nice.
Wow, darling, tikman mo.
Raspberry. Masarap. Yes, masarap.
I like it.
So masarap. I like it, this
The
one.
sweet is not
Yeah,
the sweet of the...
Yeah.
So this is
Raspberry.
this one for
Raspberry.
immunity.
For immune system. To
Next, my
boost.
dear, this we have honey from chestnut flowers. Chestnut, my dear, is #1 for heart, for blood circulation, for cholesterol in the blood, especially for men potential, for diet, and for weight loss.
Okay.
Diet,
Diet.
Diet.
We need to diet.
We need to lose weight.
Yes.
Ay.
It's okay. That's is for chestnut.
Parahan talaga. Huwag mo ako kasama. Hindi ka kasama. What's the taste?
It's nice also. It's like chestnut, really.
Alright. Oo nga, natin chestnut.
It's there, I could
Next honey, my dear,
taste the chestnut.
This we have all the honey from linden flowers. This honey, my dear, is bronch and lungs cleaner. Best is for a throat problem, for cough, for breathing lines, and for respiratory system.
Why the color is like that?
Because
It's
old. This is old honey, my dear.
okay.
Old honey has different
But there is no
texture.
really sugar, this one.
No, my dear.
Pure honey.
No. If honey is natural, my dear, inside we have after some time crystals.
Okay.
Oh, dali, tikman mo.
But it's feel like sugar,
Yes,
yeah,
but
sugary.
But old honey, my dear, is always had more powerful.
Okay.
Next, my dear, we have honey from wild mint.
Huh?
Mint.
What's that?
Okay.
Wild mint, my dear, is best is for stomach regulation, for
Okay.
nervous system, for brain, and for our body fast.
Wow, I need
Oh, for brain, we will become intelligent with this one. Okay. We need to be intelligent. We need the intelligence.
And this one.
Intelligence
Alright.
quotients.
Tingnan nga natin.
1 plus 1. Wow, it's 11. Yeah, the taste is really different from.
The taste is different. No?
Yeah.
The one now we are tasting in the...
Yes, different. So the taste of the honey is depends with the one with
Anong gusto
the
mo
honey
din?
where they suck.
Ito natural ang taste, no?
This one, I like this
I
one.
like this one also.
Ang ganda din to.
Ano?